Let's take delivery of this beautiful 2025 M4 CS Coupe in Riviera blue and full leather Merino anthracite. Look how stunning this car is. Look at the beautiful rims with the gold calipers. This car is something else. Wow, look at the CS grille and the yellow headlights. Beautiful. Now let's check out the interior. Of course, we needed bucket seats. And let's turn it on. Let's go. Let's go check out the trunk. I love the new tail lights.